Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to recover the deleted TradingView account. Now, after opening your TradingView app, you're here. Now let's say you've deleted the TradingView account and it's not been 30 days, you can easily recover it. But if it has been up to 30 days, I'm sorry, it is totally gone, permanently deleted. Now, if it has not been up to 30 days, you simply tap on the menu at the bottom right corner, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, then tap on this option and you see cancel account deletion. I have deleted my account, that's why you don't see it here. You see cancel account deletion, tap on it. It will be at the bottom of the screen, so you simply tap on it and your account deletion will be cancelled. But if it has been after 30 days, it cannot be reversed. You cannot recover your deleted TradingView account. It has been permanently deleted. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.